Christmas. Hey guys, so today we are going to be unboxing all of the Amiibo released this month, because there's actually quite a few. So let's get started. Alright, so starting off in more towards the beginning of the month, we got the Tears of the Kingdom Zelda and the Tears of the Kingdom Ganondorf. So that's two. And then just a couple days ago, we got the Shiver, Fry, and Big Man Amiibo for Splatoon 3. So, that out of the way, let's flip the camera down and start unboxing. All right, guys, so start off with the beginning of the month. We got the Tears of the Kingdom Zelda Amiibo. Very nice. There she is. There's the Amiibo. Legend of Zelda, Tears of the Kingdom Zelda. Check out the back. Use this Amiibo to receive helpful items to aid in your adventure. So you could even get a rare item. Very, very interesting. Don't know why that's on there. This Amiibo is definitely not compatible with the 3DS. But let's just get right into it. And there she is. Very, very nice. There is Zelda holding the Master Sword, like a, I don't know, messed up version of the Master Sword. Very, very nice. Put her right over there. And moving on, the second Amiibo in this one is the Tears of the Kingdom Ganondorf. There he is. There's Ganondorf. We got the actual Amiibo. Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom Ganondorf. There you go, check out the back. Same thing as the other one. Same thing as the other one. Looks like you get his sword. So from this one, you get the Master Sword. This one, you get his katana. Very, very nice. Let's get right into this. He is the Ganondorf Amiibo. Very, very nice. I really like the style for Ganondorf they went with for Tears of the Kingdom. Very, very nice. Even like detail on the bottom there. It's nice. Very, very nice. All right, and now moving on to the most recent ones. We'll start off with this one. We have Shiver from Splatoon 3, part of Deep Cut. There we got Shiver right there. Shiver right there, Splatoon. Okay, what country is she named Pasquale in? Apparently her alternate names are Pasquale and Megan. I have no idea. I have no idea. Also the back, different from the other ones. These ones sort of describe what they do in the game. This one, just this. Just that. Nothing to do with how they are in the game functionally. Nothing along those lines. Compared to the other Splatoon 3 boxes, I just grabbed the Inkling from Splatoon 3. If you look on the back here, it tells you everything there is. Use this Amiibo in Splatoon 3. Save your custom character to your Amiibo, take it with you. Get special gear. Like, does this not give you special gear? I don't know. Very interesting. But let's get right into it. there she is, Shiver. Very, very nice. Very nice. Got her mask. It's very blue. Very nice. Put her right back there. And let's move on to the other one. We got Fry, who is apparently also called Angie. No idea. There we got Fry, Splatoon, Fry. Again, same thing on the back here. I don't know what this is. Maybe this is just how they do the back of Amiibo boxes now. I don't know. Let's see. And there she is, Fry. Very yellow. It's got her mask. Very nice. Very, very nice. Put her over there. And finally, big box, big Amiibo, Big Man. We got Big Man here. Very large Amiibo. Big Man, also known as Raimi or Ryan. Very interesting. Same thing on the back here. Nothing special. Big Man, Splatoon. Let's get right into it. Get him out here. He's got some ties at the back here we gotta take out. So let's get those out. There we go. And there is Big Man. Very, very big Amiibo. Got his mask, and there he is in all of his glory. Very, very nice. Very reflective as well. And there he is. I guess you're supposed to like display him like this. That's what makes the most sense. Don't know how I'm gonna fit it like that on my shelf, but we'll try. And with that, that is all of the Amiibo. So let's flip the camera back up and do the outro. Alright guys, that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go put these things away now, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!